Okay, so it's the Bosch Series 4 60 centimeters fully integrated dishwasher is what you're looking at the moment. That's been designed for seamless installation, and that's what we've done. And we've also completed the first wash using the Bosch Series 4. It's come out really, really nice. You would see, of course, the dishes look really, really clean. And just for your awareness, the dimensions are 81.5 centimeters by 59.8 by 55 centimeters. So if it fits your cabinet, definitely worth an installation. It has generally been really good. It offers generous capacity of about 14-15 place settings with the cutlery at the top and the dishes, of course, 2 levels of the dishes. Noise efficiency is pretty good, about C, noise efficiency C, and energy efficiency also of rating D, which is also quite efficient for a dishwasher. And there are other features, of course, like the consumption, about just 9 liters of water per cycle, and then the Home Connect app, which functions pretty much hands-off the dishwasher, so you can remotely operate from wherever you are. Sometimes you have to be there, of course, you need to put the dishes back in, but you can use the economic times, like nighttime charging, nighttime usage. That sort of saves a lot of cost. So that's essential there. It also offers silence on demand, which is pretty good. So you can reduce the sound lowest level, and the eco mode consumes a lot less power. That's pretty good, right? It's got 6 main programs: Eco 50 degrees, Auto 45 to 65 degrees, Immersive 70 degrees, and then Express 65 degrees. And then Glass, that is 40 degrees. And there's also a favorite function, which you can specialize for your extra dry or your speed perfect and all the rest of the stuff, right? So that's quite interesting with this specific dishwasher. And there's also the interior, which is quite flexible, featuring VarioFlux baskets and 3rd level VarioDrawer for cutlery at the top, which you'd see, of course. So yeah, it's got a full warranty of about 12 months, I suppose, or 24 months in the UK. But yeah, overall, it's been really, really good. It's got AquaStop for flood protection system, so it won't basically go beyond the levels that you've defined. There's drain pipes and the main supply. All the sort of stuff comes pretty much out of the box. Yeah, it's been pretty good so far. No concerns whatsoever. I was kind of regretting not buying this Series 6 model, but that was quite pricey. But yeah, that's about it. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or queries, you know what to do. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.